Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. Today I'd like to tell you about this 2004 Porsche Cayenne, and it's a Model S, which is a V8, 340 horsepower. The color is black metallic with black leather interior. This has the optional turbo wheels. Also has the optional Xenon headlights with high pressure washers. Has parking distance sensors in the front and in the back. On the inside, it has the optional comfort seats with the deluxe leather, and you get power seats on both sides and a 3-position memory and some lumbar adjustments as well. There's a sport steering wheel. It's an automatic trans, 6-speed. You can shift it manually from the steering wheel if you desire. Power moonroof. Here's a look at the dashboard. There's the mileage. Has oil temperature and coolant temperature as well. Has a battery charging indicator. Here's the optional screen. It has navigation. There's the automatic climate control. There's the transfer case settings. This has a low range for off-road. And you can lock the differentials. Here's the look at the 4.5-liter V8. It's cosmetically very attractive. Here's the back seat, and naturally the rear seats will fold down. Dual exhaust, lots of storage space. Toolkit. And you can open the glass separately. Oh, let's pop this open. There we go. That memory seat on the passenger side as well. Lots of great features on this Porsche SUV. Originally cost $67,000. Low miles, one owner, still in great shape. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about it. Thank you.